Welcome to our Trojan labeled T2-C tech support video tutorial on replacing the aerosol filter. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the aerosol filter on your T2-C. Open the top right lid to gain access to the filter. The filter is in the drawer and it can be pulled out upwards. To replace the filter, open the housing unit and replace the old one with a clean new filter. Put the pieces back together and install the drawer back into the printer. And that's it. You've just replaced the aerosol filter on your Trojan label T2-C. For additional tech support tutorials, please visit our online playlist. If you have any questions, please contact tech support or visit us online at astronovaproductid.com.